Doorbell Buster for YouTube. We're in the middle of Northampton right now. Yeah, Mustang, yeah. And we're about to give a homeless person 1 pence. Here we go.
There's like 500 Mustangs in the country. Oh yeah, Mustang.
Oh, there's a 9, look.
It's one of the 500 Mustangs in the country.
Yeah, no, that's funny. Yeah, 1 pence. Thanks.
Filming ourselves completely drunk. It's great.
Well, you've got that on video as well. That's Doorbell Buster and 914J7 on YouTube. Give them a tramp 3 pence between us.
Don't dark a bit, like when you managed to know one of the 500 Mustangs in the country.
Oh, that's brilliant. I know where one lives anyway, so don't worry. That's 914J7 in the middle of town.
That's Doorbell Buster completely paralytic.
Yeah, this is nothing. I've been getting more drunk than this, but I decided not to.
Yeah, because last time we got blood poisoning.
And my nose was bleeding like hell, so yeah.
So was mine. It's not fun.
TEX is still open, everyone. Yeah, TEX is still open. No, I'm not getting any more burger. I'll puke up one more burger. I'll puke up. Yeah, one more burger. We'll puke up. You know what I mean? We just give the homeless person 3 pence.
Freaking old facts. What the fuck am I doing 3 pence?
Is that all I can get? Is 3 pence? That all I'm worth? I love it. I love it. On that note, we've got to go for now. Bye.